Now simply take your focus from crown chakra to the Agya chakra, from Agya chakra to the Vishuddha chakra, from Vishuddha chakra to the Anahat chakra, from Anahat chakra to the Manipur chakra, from Manipur chakra to the Swadhisthana chakra, from Swadhisthana chakra to the Mooladhara chakra. Again repeat this journey. Mooladhara, Mooladhara, Mooladhara. Observe the Mooladhara. Raise the energy from Mooladhara to the Swadhisthana, 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 Swadhisthana. Raise the energy from Swadhisthana to the Manipur, Manipur, Manipur chakra, Manipur chakra, Manipur chakra. Raising energy to the Anahat chakra. Focus the Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra, Anahat chakra. Again leading it to the Vishuddha chakra, throat center, Vishuddha chakra, Vishuddha chakra, Vishuddha chakra. Leading it to the Agya chakra, Agya chakra, Agya chakra. Third eye center, Agya chakra, Agya chakra. Leading it to the crown chakra, top of the head, top of the head, top of the head, top of the head. Now while observing the crown chakra, simply drop down that observing part or drop down that attention from crown chakra to the base chakra while moving towards the all remaining chakras. Now this energy flowing from crown chakra to the base chakra, crown chakra to the base chakra, crown chakra up to the base chakra, cleaning it, cleaning all chakras, cleaning all 7 chakras, cleaning it, cleaning it, cleaning it, observing from the top to the bottom, from the top through all chakras in between to the bottom chakra, cleaning it, observing it, crown chakra, third eye chakra, cleaning it, third eye chakra, throat center, cleaning, throat center, heart center, observing, cleaning, observing, solar plexus center, strength center, navel center. Again raising this energy and dropping it down to the Swadhisthana, to the creativity chakra, from creativity to the base center, Mooladhara chakra. Now observing all chakras in one part as a one element, observing all chakras from crown to the base center, observing all chakras, cleaning all chakras, observing, empowering, cleaning, observing, empowering, cleaning, harmony to all the centers, harmony, balance, strength to all the centers, harmony, balance, strength to all the centers. Now relax, now relax, now relax, and observe to the navel center, observe to the navel center, the center of Hara, the center of Tanden, the center of Kundalini Urja, the navel center, Nabhi Kendra, observing the Nabhi Kendra. While observing the Nabhi Kendra, try to create the sound of Ma from the sound of Om, the last swara. While chanting Ma, observe the navel center. Inhale. 3 times more, while closing the eyes, while focusing over Nabhi Kendra, navel center, while placing right hand over the navel center, while observing the navel center, while giving energy to the navel center, while chanting Ma, creating humming sound, buzz. Inhale, inhale, Three times more. Inhale. Second last. Inhale. Last one. Inhale. Now lift your hand from navel center to the Anahat chakra. Place your hand over the heart center. Again 4 times chanting of Ma while focusing over the Anahat chakra. Inhale. Inhale. Focusing over Anahat chakra while placing hand over the center of heart. Inhale and chant Ma. Last one, Makar sound. Again, last one, deep breathing. Inhale. Fill your lungs with the breath and start. Now relax. Raise your hand from center of heart to the third eye. Place your palm over the third eye while focusing over the third eye, and similarly concomitantly chant the Ma while focusing over the third eye. For that, inhale and start. Extend your breath up to your individual capacity. If you think that I can only extend, it is absolutely fine. Simply understand your capacity and flow with this very process of chakra meditation. Last part, inhale while placing hand over third eye, focusing over third eye, start chanting of Ma. Second last, inhale. Last one, loudly. Inhale deeply up to your lungs. Inhale and start. Now relax. Take your hand down in Dhyana Mudra. Make yourself relax while focusing over third eye. While focusing over third eye, make yourself relax, observing the chakras, and now observing the third eye chakra, the third eye center, the Agya chakra, the chakra of intuition, the center of pineal gland. Relax, observe, relax, feel the silence after the meditation. After this, chakra empowering, after this, energizing, activating, empowering the psychic centers, the psychic energy centers, assuming it that there are energy centers because we haven't explored it with our experience. So we have to assume it so that one day we might or we may explore it by experience. Focus over third eye, relax. Now deep breathing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now relax. Feel the silence. Feel the silence. Relax. Relax. Now feel your body as a whole element. Raise your attention from third eye to the body. Feel the body. Feel the body. Now feel the mind. See, mind is thinking, observing. Feel the mind. Now feel the breath. See, breathing is happening to us. Inhale and exhale. Now focus over breathing process. Relax. Make yourself relax. Feel the silence. Be more relaxed. Now gently, if you think, then simply raise your both hands, join your palms together, try to rub your both hands on each other, create some energy, and while creating energy in between your palms, slowly and gradually place your palms over your eyes and simply, if you think that, if you feel that you have to open the eyes, then simply open your eyes gradually in between your hands, slowly while taking away your hands down again in Dhyan Mudra, and gently open your eyes looking at downward into nothingness, into the zero. Simply looking to nothing, watching to nothing. Simply looking at something which can call it as zero. Simply remain silent into the relaxed state. Now open your eyes completely. Make yourself relax. Now relax. Make yourself relax. Breathe normally. Now you can move your body gently. You can disturb your observance from breath to somewhere else. Now relax. So thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable participation. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.